Hello everybody, this time clock here, Kronos 4500, basic assembly instructions. First you're going to start with your front cover and keypad. You have a rubber, plastic, and plastic baseboard. You're going to want to pull these rubbers up through the plastic baseboard in order to put the keyboard in. There's two big circles for the two bottom mainboard screw mounts. Click all four plastic brackets in, and then install your LCD. Now there's 9 screws here, and they're all the same. There's 5 in the keypad and 4 in the screen. You want to make sure you have both of these plastic terminals here. They hold the main board up, they prop it up so it doesn't get cracked at all under any tension. And also for the LCD, you want to make sure you have these 2 screw holes here, or else the LCD will bend forward, and then at that point you have to re-engineer your clock's dysfunctional. Now you can put the main board in. Install all components, the keypad and the LCD. Have a reading module. At this point I put in the mag reader, as you'll have. The square part goes on the screw to close this clock, and then those are simple screws that just screw in. It fits into place. So screw down your main board. Then, to install the back, you have the piece right here. You have the bull horns facing this way, and swing it up until it fits into place. Keep it about 90 degrees, as so. Keep the back cover close to the table, and slowly raise it up until the other plastic parts fit into the back. See how they slide through there now? Close it until they lock into place. Now don't let this side down until you have the screws in, or else it could do damage. There you have it. Kronos 4500 basic assembly.